AlarmMon is a fitness website that offers users a unique way to stay on track with their health and wellness goals. In this review, we'll explore the platform's various features, including how it helps users create personalized alarms for fitness routines, tracks progress, and motivates consistent activity. Upon visiting the website, you're greeted with a sleek and user-friendly interface. The design is intuitive, making navigation simple for both new and seasoned users. Registration is straightforward, and within minutes, you're ready to set up your profile. AlarmMon's primary function is to create custom alarms tailored to your fitness goals. You can set reminders for workouts, hydration, or even mindfulness breaks. The customization options are impressive, allowing you to choose from an array of sounds, tones, and even encouraging voice messages. These alarms sync seamlessly with your calendar or device notifications, ensuring you never miss a commitment. The platform also incorporates gamification elements to keep you motivated. Users can earn badges and rewards for meeting goals, which adds a fun, competitive edge to staying fit. Additionally, AlarmMon integrates with fitness tracking devices, making it easier to monitor progress in real time. This feature proves invaluable for those who already rely on wearable tech to manage their routines. AlarmMon shines in its analytics section. Here, users can view detailed reports on their activity levels, progress towards goals, and areas for improvement. The visual graphs and data breakdowns are easy to interpret, helping users make informed decisions about their fitness journeys. However, the site isn't without flaws. Some users report occasional syncing issues with certain devices, and the free version of the platform has limited functionality compared to the premium subscription. While the free features are useful, the premium membership unlocks the full potential of the site, including access to exclusive alarms, deeper analytics, and personalized coaching tips. The customer support system is another area that could see improvement. While there is an FAQ section, live chat support is not available, which can be frustrating for users facing urgent issues. Overall, AlarmMon stands out as a valuable tool for fitness enthusiasts who need structured reminders and motivation to stay on track. It combines practical functionality with engaging features, making it a strong contender in the fitness tech market. If you're searching for a unique way to enhance your health routine, this platform is worth exploring. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more honest reviews on fitness and tech tools.